Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link will be down below. Take advantage of the Amazon Prime's fast and free shipping. You'll get one of these in no time. It's one video, two, I think, of the same thing. Not sure 100%, but definitely check them out. I'll have all the links. We'll see what they sent us. Here we go. Open it. Cut there. Here we go. And these will be part of the Black Friday sales going on, and throughout the Cyber Mondays also. So definitely add this to your wish list. Nope. There we go. Got that one. Oh boy. What could it be? There we go. Got it out. Now, hopefully nothing jumps out. It's a good old monitor. Alright, how did they... Interesting shipping. Don't break it. Gotta clean it up a little bit. But here we go. Oh, shoot. We got this out. This is nice. Nothing got damaged. Everything looks good. Just a little dusty. Got 18 or I don't even know what size this is. Yeah, computer components down there. Hopefully it's HDMI, USB. USB, computer, no stand. Yeah, alright though. Alright, so I'm gonna have to think of a different way to do this. Yeah, hopefully you guys can see. So, no HDMIs. Old school Dell. I think it's a 2019 model, but not bad. And let's see if there's any power cords. Hold on one sec.